Welcome back to our Apcon Overview video series. In this episode, we'll take a brief look at Apcon's WebX switch management software. WebX is included with every Apcon switch. You can log into WebX with a standard web browser. Enter the IP address of the switch in the address bar and the switch responds with the WebX login screen. Enter the administrative login name and the password established for the switch. After login, WebX shows you the ports screen, a graphical representation of the blades and ports in the switch, with labels and color-coded indicators that specify the switch's current configuration. This switch is configured with two IntelliFlex blades, a 36-port blade in the top position over an 18-port blade on the bottom. As you mouse over the blades, ports connected to data sources are highlighted in blue, while ports connected to monitoring tools are highlighted in orange. In a later video, we'll show you how to use this screen to create aggregations, taps, and multicasts. Across the top of the screen, icons indicate additional screens you can choose. We'll look at each of these in turn. Beginning from the left, the Global View screen shows a diagram of the switch and its connections. On the left side of the screen, you can select and view additional diagrams that have been created for this switch. These diagrams show port connections, aggregations, and destination ports in an intuitive style similar to a Visio drawing. In this diagram, we see two data sources coming into the ports on the left. They're color-coded blue. The two data streams are then aggregated into one stream, and that stream is multicast to two ports on the right, shown in orange. Each of the orange ports receives a copy of all the data from both blue ports. Above the diagram library, you can see some basic information about the switch, including its software revision level, IP address, and model. The next screen you can select is the View screen, which offers a text-based display of the currently configured connections. This screen shows you specific data about each connection, including filters, bandwidth used, and messages from other users. We've already seen the ports screen, so we'll move on to the filters screen. This screen allows you to create, display, and edit your packet filters. It's like a library of filters that you can apply to connections. The editor allows you to create new filters with a convenient pull-down menu interface that reduces programming errors. Finally, the status screen shows you the current operating condition of the switch at a glance. Obviously, a green checkmark indicates that everything is running normally. Click on any figure on the screen to bring it up to the main display for a more detailed look at its status. Once displayed, you can click on any element to drill down for status details on any part of the switch. That's a quick look at WebX and its screens. In our next segment, we'll show you how easy it is to create connections between ports, including applying packet aggregation and filtering. If you are interested in purchasing Apcon products or have any questions or comments, please contact us through our website, www.apcon.com.